Buckle up, folks. We've cracked the code on a mind-bending car mystery. Picture this: a 2011 to 2013 Hyundai Elantra, but not just any Elantra, one with a sunroof. Now, here's where it gets wild. This specific car only makes a single pass down Taylor Avenue. But why? Let me explain. In the leaked video, we only see the first pass of the car on Taylor Avenue. But get this, the time frame that would show the other possible passes are mysteriously missing from the 6-hour footage. Now here's where it gets juicy. People are starting to think the defense might have leaked this themselves. Why? Well, it could prove that the car doesn't use Taylor Avenue again after that first pass. Mind-blowing, right? Now this Jay Logsdon statement about the newer car seen at the wrong time and wrong direction makes sense. Let me explain. Remember the prosecution's description of the car's movement. Jennings specifically used hand gestures showing it entering from Steiner Avenue to the 1122 house in an anti-clockwise direction. Now here's where it gets interesting. This tiny detail actually implies that the camera at 1125 Ridge Road would have caught the back of the car. We know from previous analysis, new Elantras up to 2020 have the same rear design. It's possible the FBI expert combined this newer car with the older one to erroneously conclude it could be Brian's. An expert pinpoints a specific car model, then suddenly broadens it to include an entire generation. Doesn't add up, right? Here's where it gets interesting. The state's trying to prove Brian's ownership of a second car, but hold on, we think it's a completely unrelated vehicle. And get this, it could be a 2017 or newer model.
The video that is clear, well, they take issue with that video because, and specifically we're talking about 1125 Ridge Road, because they say, well, that can't be surveillance video of the white Elantra, even though it was caught on video about 0.3 miles from the crime scene, about 3 minutes right before when we see the suspect vehicle enter the area of the crime scene, which 0.3 and 3 minutes appear to be the amount of time it would take the vehicle to travel to the area of the crime scene.